Assalamu alaikum, you're welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you'll be learning how to make this lovely smoky sleeve or smoked sleeve. In our previous tutorial we learned how to cut and sew this lovely hijab gown with hood. If you are new here, do ensure to check the description box, the link to the video will be there, and do ensure to subscribe and leave a comment. If you love modest wears and you want to learn how to make abaya and different jilbab, Khimar and lots more, you have come to the right channel. Do ensure to subscribe. So these are the requirements you'll be needing for this tutorial. Here I have my hijab sleeve which I've already cut. So this side here is where I will aim. So ensure to make your aim on the wrong side. So I'll be making 2 seams on the aim for the sleeve. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. Thank you for sharing our videos to your loved ones. If there is any tutorial you like us to make or any illustration you like us to make as regards modest wears, you can send a message to us via WhatsApp or state it in the comment section. And do ensure to ask questions if you have do ensure to ask questions in the comment section if you find anything difficult. So the fabric I'm using is crepe. I'm using a soft crepe. You can decide to use any fabric of your choice. So I'm done with the first seam. I'll be doing the second seam now. I actually prefer the double seam at the end. It's your choice. You can decide to make a single seam. So this is what you have after making the double seam at the end. So this is the wrong side facing. So this is the rubber thread. Ensure when you want to make the smoky sleeve, you ensure to put your rubber thread at the down inside your bobbin case or reeler. In Nigeria we call it reeler. So this is how you fix your bobbin case and just pull it up like this. So to start your seam, you need to move away from the hem by 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So I made 5 seams on each sleeve. Also, the 5 seam I made is not constant. It depends on your choice. You can decide to make it 2, 3, but I would not advise you to make 1 seam. It wouldn't give you the puffy the puffy shape you want or form. So ensure to make your seam on the right side when you are making the smoky seam. Ensure to make it on the right side, which means the right side will be facing up while the wrong side will be facing down. And this is what you have after making the first seam. As you continue to make your seam, you will see changes. The fabric becomes more smoky than it is when you make the first seam. So if you make 5 seam on the right sleeve or on any of the sleeve, do ensure to make the same amount of seam on the other sleeve as well to have a neat work. Because some people do make 3 on one sleeve, they will make 4 on the other one. It will give it different shape. One would be smoky than the other and it will give the puffy shape more than the other. So the more the seam, the more the smoky or puffy form. And do ensure to use a matching thread when you are making a smoky sleeve. It makes your work neater. So we do upload new tutorials on Saturdays. Do ensure to subscribe and leave the bell notification icon on to be notified when we have new tutorials for you. So this is what you have. So in our next tutorial, you'll be learning how to thread your computer weaving machine. So this is what you have after making the seam on each sleeve. You can see it's looking good already. So this is the right side while this is the wrong side. If you love this tutorial, do ensure to give it a thumbs up and do leave a comment. So I hope you see the effect of the 1 inches or 1.5 inches we leave away from the hem. So now I'll be joining the sides of the sleeve so that I will try it on for you to see the effects of the smoky of the seam we made. Do ensure to check back every Saturday for new tutorials. So you can decide to make this smoky sleeve on your abaya, not only jilbab, because this particular one I'm making is for the hijab gown we saw in the beginning of the video. So you can decide to fix it on your abaya. It goes well. Some people do make it at the down part of their trouser. And this is what you have. Your sleeve is ready. I'll just try it on for you to see the effects. The same. This is what you have. If you love this tutorial, do ensure to leave a comment and do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. See you in our next video, next tutorial.